good. If you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon for more videos. So today my topic is very interesting because my topic is 10 most toxic substances. So arsenic, chlorine, trifluoride, cadmium, sodium, alkaline chloride. So 10 chemicals of public health concern. So what are the 20 toxic and hazardous substances? So you can see the 222 bank. So I gotta click on this website. The Comprehensive Environmental Response Compensation and Liability Act, Section 104, as amended by the Superfund Amendments by Reauthorization Act, SARA requires at ATSDR and the EPA to prepare a list in order of opportunity commonly found at the facility. The national priorities list in NPL and the which are determined to pose the most significant potential threat to human health due to their known or suspected toxicity and potential for human exposure at these NPL sites. This substance priority is generally uh, revised and published every 2 years, which with an informal review and revision each year. Each substance on the list is a candidate to become the subject of a toxicological profile prepared by ATSDR. The listing algorithm prioritizes substance based on frequency of occurrence at NPL sites, toxicity, and potential for human exposure to the substance found at the NPL sites. Substance with the low toxicity with high NPL frequency of occurrence and exposure to be on this priority list. Where can I find from information to the substance priority list? Substantial additional information can be found on the SPL resource page, including the past substance priority list, a support document describing the algorithm in details, a comprehensive SPL as appreciate with data for all current and past listing, including candidate substances that did not make the top of the list. So I hope you all like my video. If you all like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.